Yo guys, this is Zboy Montebon, and today's video I'm gonna cover a song of Shawn Mendes, which is "There's Nothing Holding Me Back." So this week, I'm gonna start to cover a lot of Shawn Mendes songs as a challenge because Shawn Mendes is one of the hardest singers to cover because his songs are just really high for a voice note. So yeah, let's start. I think about her when she knows it. I wanna let her take control, cause every time that she gets close, yeah, she pulls me in enough to keep me guessing. And maybe I should start confessing, yeah. Oh, I've been shaking. I love it when you go crazy. You take all my inhibitions. Baby, there's nothing holding me back. You take me places that tear up my reputation, manipulate my decisions. Maybe there's nothing holding me back. There's nothing holding me back. Nothing holding me back. She says that she's never afraid. Just picture everybody naked. She really doesn't have to wait. Not really into hesitation. Pulls me in enough to keep me guessing. Oh, maybe I should stop and start confessing, yeah. Oh, I've been shaking. I love it when you go crazy. You take all my inhibitions. Baby, there's nothing holding me back. You take me places that tear up my reputation, manipulate my decisions. Baby, there's nothing holding me back. There's nothing holding me back. Took it way too far. I know we'd be alright. We would be alright, cause you were by my side. Stumble in the dark. I know we'd be alright. We would be alright, cause if I lost someone, we took it way too far. I know we'd be alright. I know we would be alright. By my side and stumble in the dark. I know we'd be alright. We would be alright. Oh, I've been shaking. I love it when you go crazy. You take all my inhibitions. Baby, there's nothing holding me back. You take me places that tear up my reputation, manipulate my decisions. Baby, there's nothing holding me back. There's nothing holding me back. So free when you're with me, baby. Baby, there's nothing holding me back. Oh my gosh. Well, thank God that I conquered Shawn Mendes songs, even though I'm just really paos. And I'm really sorry for the piyoks. It is really awkward to just piyok, and I never knew that I could sing that song, because if I would sing it in just casual singing, like for example I in my earphones and I'm listening to Shawn Mendes songs, I was just like I didn't use my original voice because I know that was so high. Yeah, I conquered Shawn Mendes song. Next are just Shawn Mendes songs. I'm just gonna cover Shawn Mendes songs, and that song, that There's Nothing Holding Me Back, is just the most difficult song ever in my entire life. I enjoyed it. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'm just a new YouTuber, but I'm still growing, and this is Zboy again. Click right here and subscribe right here. I knew it. Bye bye.